Welcome to my channel, and this is the outcome of what we have made. This is honey glazed chicken, potatoes and salad. Welcome. Let's cook together. So here I am making dinner today for my children. They wanted honey glazed chicken that I sometimes once in a while make for them, because here where we live we don't have fast food restaurant or any outlet that sells fast food. I pretty live in a small countryside in Norway, west of Norway. It's called Tingvoll. And now I am marinating the chicken. I put a little bit of salt and chicken spices. Then I mix together. Then I put in the oven. I will put it in the oven for 15 minutes at 220 so that it can cook. That's my daughter. She could not get out of the way. She just wanted to be there. So for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for showing me love on my previous videos. I really, really appreciate all of that. I don't take it for granted. And my new subscribers, thank you so much. And everybody who is watching my videos, thank you so much. I have so much in store for you. I live in west side of Norway, and our body water here is Atlantic Ocean. And I am from Kenya. I am originally from Kenya. I came to Norway in 2018, and I've been living here since then. So potato is something which is common here in Norway. It's almost like the staple food. My mother-in-law cannot cook any of her meals without potato, and they do it different way with how we do it in Kenya. Here they will just peel the potato, wash them, and put in water and cook it, and then serve it just like that with another type of food they are serving. So I thought that was different, because with us we used to cook potato mix with beef or chicken or something like that. Or if we were cooking it by just itself, we would like fry it with tomatoes and onions and oil. But here they just cook with water and serve. So for me today, I'm just I have peeled the potatoes and chop them into cubes. Then I'll just cook them a little bit, because my plan is to fry them in the oil. So then I'll just put them there while the chicken is still in the oven. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and let me know if you like cooking. What do you like cooking, or what do you want to see me cooking? So here I am making a paste for the chicken. And I'm gonna put spices. I have chicken spices, I have curry powder, and I'm going to use salt as well. But you can normally just choose spices of your choice. And these ones are child-friendly spices. They're not hot, and they do normally eat them. So you just wanna put wheat flour in a clean bowl. And wheat flour you will measure according to the amount of chicken that you have. Then put a little bit of salt, your curry powder, and your chicken spices, and then mix them together. Then a little bit of water to make a paste. Then you will just tie it around Just stir it until it's all fine. Now it's fine. And just try to make it a little bit thick because you want the chicken, you want it to hold the chicken while you are putting it in the oil. So here the chicken is done. I'm gonna take it out from the oven because it's still quite hot, so I'm gonna leave it to cool for a while, for few minutes. Then I will prepare a cooking pan. Just have cooking oil in it. And for the record, this is not something I make often. This is something I make just once in a while because I'm also pretty busy with so much going on in my life at the moment. Go to work, I have studies, school, children. Then I also have a husband who works offshore. So my life is really hectic. You're just gonna dip the chicken in your paste that you have made and just make sure all of it's covered, the paste has covered everything. And then just dip them in the oil and cook them for a few seconds. And when they turn brown, just turn the other side, the upside, and then they can all cook. And while cooking them, do not put too much heat because then they will cook so fast that outside will look like they are done, but inside is not done. So you just wanna cook them in a slow heat. Then now the chicken are brown, crunchy brown, looking so nice. And I also love to put a white serviette on top of the bowl, which I put the cooked chicken on, so the serviette can drain the oil. In here now I am preparing salad. I love to serve all my meals with salad because the vegetables that I used to cook to eat in Kenya, we don't have them here. So then I cannot find anything that I can replace that with. So it's salad which is available in our shop here. So that is what I have adopted and I'm used to. And today I will make the salad with cucumber and maize, and then I will add a little bit of olive oil and serve it like that. Sometimes I do add cherry tomatoes, and more, but today I just want to make it this way. I also normally don't use dressing salad, not even mayonnaise or anything like that. I just want my salad with very little taste. Let me know what kind of food you'll like to see me making. Also, my husband likes to cook a lot when he's at home. So
I love cooking
I
a
will be
lot, so there
filming
will be a
when
lot
he's
of
making Norwegian food.
cooking
So
on
now
this
we're
channel.
ready eating.
If you enjoy to watch cooking channels, you're welcome. We also love to travel as a family, and I'm so glad that you're all here. Thank you so much for subscribing, and see you on the next video. Hey guys.